Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cleansing thoroughly so the mask can penetrate. Don't wait. Once done, pat your skin dry and perform a quick patch test if you haven't used Plum products before. Use a small spoon or brush and scoop 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon per zone. Apply from the center outward in thin, even layers. Make sure to avoid the eye and lip lines while laying down the first coat so coverage is precise and comfortable. Once the first layer is set, continue by smoothing evenly across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin using gentle strokes. Make sure to breathe and monitor how your skin feels. The mask typically dries in 10 to 15 minutes, and a tightening sensation is normal. If your skin has dry patches, add a second thin layer after 5 to 7 minutes to boost hydration. Keep hair back and stay still. This helps the mask set uniformly and prevents patches or clumping during the middle phase. You finish by rinsing off with lukewarm water and a soft cloth, massaging in circular motions to lift residue without scrubbing. Once done, pat your skin dry and follow with a hydrating toner and moisturizer. Make sure to apply SPF if you're heading outside. If you notice stinging, redness, or swelling at any point, stop using the product immediately, rinse thoroughly, and apply a cold compress. Consult a dermatologist if symptoms persist. This final sequence preserves results and prevents irritation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.